Welcome back, everyone. Today is another feed day. Unfortunately, it's a little bit late today due to work, but you know what they say, better late than never. So therefore I'm gonna feed them now, so they're all good for the rest of the week. They get 2 times, sometimes 3 times a week. Their food get changed. Water get every other day. So therefore we're starting with feeding. There's the seeds that get fed. I mixed up with a little bit of a collar fed. Keeps in a bit of a condition. Keeps the birds nice and fresh, looking fresh. This weekend is deep clean weekend. Basically all the birds and cages get all cleaned. Put water bowl for the birds to clean themselves. Get some water topped up for them as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I feed my birds bottled water. The reason being is a lot healthier and better for them. As the tap water does have a lot of chalk and a lot of chlorine in there, which it does disturb the little lungs. So I put in a couple of scoops in there, shake all of that, and go and clean this. Fresh clean water. There we go. Stay there. Here we go. So now back to cage number 3. The only thing about these canary birds is, well, every bird really, is spitting the seeds they don't want to eat. The unwanted seed, which makes a lot of mess. So every time I come in, shake them, I have to make sure it's swept in that, because as you all know, they can attract mice. There we go. So now again, go into the next cage. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching my videos, my channel. Please be kind and subscribe on my channel and like my videos. If you like my videos or my setup on my canaries, please share, please comment if you do have any other ideas that I can probably learn from you guys. Some of you are more experienced than me, and you might have a better setup. We can share ideas and help each other. So for now, all you have a good evening, good week, and all the best to you all. Bye bye.